Nuno reflects on a hard start to life at Tottenham. Nuno Espirito Santo admits it has been a tough first 100 days in charge of Tottenham. The Portuguese reached the milestone on Friday and has had plenty of challenges since taking over from Jose Mourinho in the summer. He has had to deal with Harry Kane's transfer saga, players breaking Premier League rules to go on international duty, injuries, and a run of defeats that saw him come under early pressure. Nuno's plans for Sunday's Premier League trip to Newcastle were plunged into chaos after it was revealed that 2 players had tested positive for coronavirus. He said, "When I joined, I didn't know what to expect. I live day by day. I can say it has been a hard 100 days, good moments, bad moments, this is part of the job. I had very happy days, I had some not so happy days, but this is life, this is football, this is what everybody has to be ready for." Nuno's next challenge will be going to Newcastle for the first game since the Magpies' £305 million takeover was completed, a deal which has changed the mood at the club. Boss Steve Bruce is still in position, despite heavy speculation he would lose his job and will take charge of his 1000th game. Former Wolves boss Nuno said, "I've known Bruce a long time. We played against each other, we were both in the championship, so we go a long way back. I have huge respect. I know him. And to achieve 1000 games is extraordinary. I have to congratulate him." Spurs could travel to the northeast with Steven Bergwijn after the Dutch winger returned to training following time out with an ankle issue. "He joined us Thursday. He is totally integrated with the group," he said. "Trained well yesterday, trained well today. No pain. So it's about getting back to his highest levels of fitness, but he's in the process of it. We don't know about Sunday."